Hey everyone, let's do my unboxing for my 2025 Sterling Ink order, which is pretty small, but I am super excited. This is the first time that I've seen this specific model done by Sterling Ink, and I have had her planners since she launched. So I've purchased them since basically she's had them. I think 2022 might be the first year she got them. So I only purchased three different things to try. So I was really curious about these booklets. So this is the booklet No 85 in the caramel size, and I have one this year from this one, and this is the booklet No A6 in onyx. So we'll get to that and the little freebie, but this is going to be my main planner. I don't know if I'm thinking it's for work, but I don't know. This is beautiful. Wow. This postcard and it's a calendar. Oh my God, I love this art. That is really pretty. Okay, so I got the tweed. This is the only color she had for the daily. So this is going to be the A5 daily tweed. And I got it with the white paper. I think she had gold and white, but I've had gold. I don't want gold. I want white. So, oh, okay, this is very nice. And it has the foiling here on the side of the 2025, which is super important for me when you're archiving your notebooks at the end of the year. I really would prefer if they have it. I've noticed sometimes they didn't have them on there, but oh wow, this is super floppy. Here, this feels like, I don't know, how do I describe it? Kind of like it just feels plasticky, to be honest. But yeah, and it's got the sterling ink there on the bottom. Yeah, okay. This is really, really nice. So it has a calendar and then a similar layout as the cousin, which I've been using to do my like daily event or top in all these, like a recap, and then monthlies. You got your monthlies here. Nothing too crazy about those, but the daily, okay, so it ends January. It only goes to January 2026, which is fine because we don't use our planners till the end of the year anyway. Okay, so this is January 1st, which lands on a Wednesday, and it has timed here, so from 6 to 12. And there's a January like landing page here. And then so it's one a page, so it's not two. Okay, so I can do that. Yeah, I like that. I don't necessarily need two. I think I can write all of my things on one page. Should be more than enough. I like the paper. I mean, it's the same. I think it's similar as her paper that she had last year. I don't know that she changed it from last year. I'd have to grab like my planner from last year to see, but I can do that real quick. Okay, this is the passport that was in my previous order, the compact that I'm going to carry around like in my purse. Okay, so yeah, I mean, not much to it other than it's a day a page and each page on the side, and it has the date here so you don't have to date it. It's also got the page number at the bottom, which is nice. And then it has some note pages here at the back. Not very many, which I don't need that much, but if you do, there's a couple here for like referencing or listing or whatever. So it goes up to like page 4. How much is it? 441. So there's about 30 pages of notes in the back, which I'm sure if you read the description, you'd probably know that. I didn't really read the description. I just saw that there was going to be a chunky A5 daily notebook, and I immediately wanted this. So yeah, super excited about this. This is going to go in here. Yeah. Let's see. This is my only cover that I've purchased so far other than clear covers, which Now that I'm thinking about it, I mean, I have covers that I can use, but I didn't purchase any new covers other than this one from Hobonichi. Oh, wow, look, that looks so nice. I should really try to figure out that clear case. Clear case. And interesting to me, the way that it's configured. But let's see if it just see if it goes in. So let's put it in here. Well, it fits there. Okay. All right. Maybe it was just user error because it definitely fits there. And it looks like it's going to fit here too. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. It's definitely user error because it fits. Well, I mean, it's closed, so maybe it just allows for like expanding of the notebook. Okay, but that fits. Okay, I like it. I like it. I am going to keep this. Finally, I think I've had this clear cover for like 2 or 3 years and it just sat in a drawer. And I can finally use it. Okay, very cool. And then I also have the band. What's it called? I'll put the name here because now I can't remember what the name is. Just like that. Oh, I guess you can do it like that too. Okay, that works. Okay, this is the freebie. Or is it September? Yeah, September collection. I haven't bought stickers from Sterling Ink, like a whole collection, because I am just very free-willed. If you guys have seen like any of my journaling spreads, I'm just free-willed. I guess I don't really like doing a whole cohesive collection page on my spreads anymore. Okay, this is just a blank little notebook. Cute, cute, and it's, yeah, very simple, but there's literally nothing on it. So you can use it for whatever. Let me see. I wanted it for in here because I thought maybe this little setup was a little sparse and maybe it needed another notebook. So let's try that. Yep. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be so in love with this little notebook. I mean, I'm probably going to have to take this out so that it doesn't like rip the spine. Let's see. I probably have to put them in at this and this one through the back. I don't know, but it does fit very nicely in here. Okay, I love this so much. Okay. All right, so that's that one. And then this one was an A5. I wanted to try it against the Stalogy. But also I wanted this like in case I don't have enough room in here for some reason, like I run out of pages, then I can have this extra little notebook, which is just a plain booklet. A6 Stalogy paper, which is still, yeah, Stalogy paper is still pretty, it's like wider, but the size of spacing of each of the two grids. Yeah, I am probably going to do a pen test in a different video so that I can test it, but I want to get all my inks and stuff ready before I do that because some of my pens are just, they've been inked up for a few weeks and there's probably not enough ink and I don't want to embarrass myself and try to write in these and there be no ink. So I have to check my pens first before I do that. But that's it. That's my haul. That's my Sterling Ink notebooks that are going to be included, which I'm glad that they're all, most of them are undated. So except for the A5 dated. And yeah, super excited for 2025.